Fireflies, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review, and today we have a, can you guess? Y'all saw the title. Another Bath & Body Works haul, but look, they got me again.
I knew it!
We'll talk about it. All right, so if you're interested in seeing some of the things that I purchased, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all. On the road to 100K. 100. Girls, 1,000. Okay. We on a road to 1K, 1,000 family members. So I am so glad you all decided to come back and see your girl. Well, family, I have a Bath & Body Works haul.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
And I'm just gonna say, they got me again. $6.95. Okay, I don't know if you all were shopping this weekend, but I put it on my community tab. But some of you all already, went through all the things. And they had a couple of other sales, so you already participated. So you was like, nah, sis, I'm good on this one. But yo, sis, which is me, if you're new, I'm your sis. But
you can't quit.
She didn't have to do it, but I did it. Okay. There was the wellness collection that everybody keeps talking about, and it's so expensive. Well, expensive for just one bottle, like 20 some odd dollars. Miss me with that. So when I saw the $6.95, and I would be able to test this collection that everybody keeps talking about, your sis had to jump in. So I did. So let me show you some of the things that I have. All right. So first off, let's start with the body butters, because your sis got body butters. Okay. That was one of the things on the list for the sale. You know me. Okay. So I got the Chasing Fireflies. Okay. So this is a new scent that they have. And I actually do enjoy this. I think that I have quite a few fragrances that I could absolutely pair with this. I'm not exactly sure about getting the body spray. I mean, the body spray was cool and it's kind of same, but I don't know if I'm going to get the body mist. I think the body cream, and I'll also show you, I have the moisturizing body wash. So I think, well, here, I'll just show you now. Pairing the both of these, I think it will just kind of satisfy my craving of whatever that is. So we have Golden Pear. Y'all know. If you don't know, yo sis love pear. I just need to do a pear video.
I eat pears now. Shout out to all the pear.
And I can't even tell you about all the pears that I have, because we would be here all day, and don't nobody have time for that. Nobody. Not even me. But so notes we have are Golden Pear, we have Jasmine Blooms, and we have Illuminated Woods. Okay, and so this definitely gives me that pear, fruity, very much youthful. It kind of almost reminds me of, like, I just got the Burberry, the green one, the Eau de Toilette, I believe it is. I just got that. So it kind of gives me similar vibes. But yeah, I'm definitely going to enjoy this one. So if you haven't gotten Chasing Fireflies, I would recommend, like, I did see some people just was like, it ain't my thing. But I don't have a problem with it. I don't. But I think I'm going to pass on the body mist, the fragrance mist. I think I'm just gonna pass on that one. Moving on. Okay, so next we have Together Weather. All right, and so this has blushing breeze, sugared cardamom, and soft cedar, okay? And so I thought that for the fall that this would be good. It kind of gives me just this comfort. Nothing like over the top, but it definitely gives me a Netflix and chill moment, like anything that I wanted to relax and just chill around the house. You know, do a day in with myself. Then, you know, I'll do this. I'll tap on that. So that was good. And then we have the sensitive skin. Now, this is a part of the wellness collection, I believe. I believe people, that's what they're calling this. But this one has like oatmeal and it's like for sensitive skin. So I'm absolutely, sign me up. I'm absolutely excited. Now, it doesn't have like a prominent smell. It definitely gives me like a shea butter, right? And I have some on my fingers, but that's okay. But I'm excited to experience this as well as the popular CoCo Shea. So a lot of people were like, oh my goodness, it's coming back, or it's coming back for another time. I wasn't a part of that clan because I don't remember this from a past time. I'm new to Bath and Body Works, comparison to all the professional Bath and Body Works personnel, okay? Or managers out there. But this does give me the, cocoa butter type of scent. So this should be good. So again, this was $6.95. So for a body butter that is normally in the $24, $25, like ridiculous, okay?
As I told you, it would be absolutely, totally, and in all other ways inconceivable.
$6.95? Sign me up. We don't even have to talk about it more. Sign me up. I'm down with that, okay? Then, this one I have been eyeing. But the price was not pricing. I was not paying that. Never not. But I'm now able to get it. So this is the vetiver and vanilla. Now, I will say, when I finally smelled this, I was like, first of all, I'm glad I got this on a deal. I'm glad I got this on a steal deal because this is not my favorite. This is not what I thought it was going to be. But maybe when it gets cooler and I pair it with something, maybe I will be okay with it. Maybe not. Right now, off like initial smell, it smells like a spa, but like an armpity spa. Like a stinky spa. But spas aren't stinky.
You don't want to go in there, Mr. Clark. It stinks.
I'll come back to you with, that's just what I get at. It's just not my favorite. But I don't want to get rid of it. I want to see if I can pair it with something and maybe it will do something else. And maybe that's hopeful thinking and maybe it's not. Maybe I just need to let it go and, give it a rest. It just doesn't work. But we're going to see. It says mindful pause. Maybe I should have paused for the cause. Paused and not gotten this. Okay, I'm done. Moving on. Next up, you all know I had to get moisturizing body wash. Moisturizing body wash. Y'all know me. Those that know me know that's what I definitely got. But I got the At the Beach. I have another one, of course. But I have another one. I wanted a backup. I love this. So if you're into like aquatic or if you're looking for something that's like beachy kind of vacation vibes, if you're still like going on a vacation, this is a good one to have, sis. Seriously. So this has white frangipani blossoms. This has toasted coconut, bergamot water, sea salt breeze, and sun-kissed musk. Okay. Very good, very good. Next, one of my sis from my live, when I release a video, we have a live chat. So if any of you all are interested in joining that, feel free, right?
If you know it, feel free.
8 o'clock in the morning, we up there chatting. But anyway, she mentioned in the stars for my previous video that I did of like body washes that smell so good you don't even need a fragrance type of video. Well, she mentioned in the star, and I was like, yes, in the star, right? I have it in the star, but this is the new packaging, which again, I'm not the packaging, like getting something for the packaging, but I needed a backup. Like after I use that one, I don't have any more. Well, I do have other body washes, but I don't have the in the star one. Okay. I'm trying to convince myself here. Okay, great. So sis was like, yes, in the star. And I was like, yes, in the star. So definitely had to pick that up, put that on the list, in the star. And then we have the sensitive skin. And this is from the wellness collection, the oatmeal. And then we have the CoCo Shea, the very popular CoCo Shea. And this is the rich moisture. So excited to have these now in my collection. Moisturizing body wash, definitely will be using these. And then I have aromatherapy, and I have relaxing midnight sky, okay? And I thought that this would probably be more kind of soothing, maybe even a nighttime body wash that I can use to maybe like kind of settle, like, when you're like working. Anyway, those that work, when you are working, when you're working, sometimes like you have all of this energy sometimes that you're like, I need something that just like knocks it down, like all this adrenaline maybe throughout the day. Do it. You're like, okay, I need something to calm me down. Because I go from work to then mommy, then I have to feed the child, make sure the child's good for the next day of school. And you're trying to like settle your own self, your mind and all of that. So either way, when I see relaxing, I feel like that's some of us. Can you relate to needing some relaxing, something? Anything that says relaxing, you like, ooh, give me. So I need that. Well, that's how I was. And that's why I have it. Not because it's purple. I mean, the packaging is cute. It is purple. That is my favorite color. If you wanted to know. I don't think that was something that you all asked me. But that's okay. For those that are new, my favorite color is purple.
It's purple.
Great. But I definitely got it for the relaxing, up top. Relaxing. Midnight sky. I'm going to follow instructions. And then last but certainly not least, I have renewing, and this is the Meadow Walk. Okay, so this is a rose magnolia, and so I was thinking, right, I have some rose things, from rose fragrances. I also have like a moisturizing body wash that's like rose and vanilla. Don't get me started. That one's good too. But I was thinking maybe a floral rose, maybe a Delina pear. There's so many different roses that I'm now coming into my collection. And so moisturizing body wash to do the things, and the combinations can be endless. I'm down with it. And it was $6.95, like I said. So that is what your sis got from the haul. Look, I didn't do that bad. Well, I told my sis, what I was telling myself in my head is that, well, at least I didn't participate in the buy two, get two free candles. And they didn't even tempt me when they try to put that flash sale up for 20% off. I still held my own. I ain't purchased nothing.
What you want, a cookie?
You said, did you want a cookie? No, I don't want a cookie. I just had to get that off my chest to convince myself. Okay, it didn't work. Okay, it's fine. I'll try again the next time to resist.
Resistance is futile.
Well, that is all, family. That is all for my Bath and Body Works haul. Hey, what have you picked up lately? Because I know I'm not alone. I see y'all in the comments. I know I'm not alone, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself, okay? Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, what? Yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.